The small perennial herbs are from the Umbelliferia family and are popularly known by the locals as pegaga. Pegaga, also known as tapak kuda in Indonesia, Indian pennyworth or gotu kola. This herb originated from Asian and East African regions, which is India, Sri Lanka, and Madagascar. However, it spreads to other countries, including Malaysia, Pakistan, China, Japan, East Africa, West Indies, South America, and Australia. This herb is known to be abundant in protein, fiber, iron, vitamin A, and vitamin C. They are popular among the Malay people to be eaten raw. They also can be obtained from the local markets. This herb is known to be abundant in protein, fiber, iron, vitamin A, and vitamin C. They are popular among the Malay people to be eaten raw. Pegaga creeps above ground with their long stolons that could reach more than 2 meters with roots produced at every leaf node. The leaves are shaped oval and kidneyish with either smooth or curly edges depending on their species. Pegaga creeps above ground with their long stolons that could reach more than 2 meters with roots produced at every leaf node. The leaves are shaped oval and kidneyish with either smooth or curly edges depending on their species. Pegaga creeps above ground with their long stolons. There are 3 types of pegaga identified, which are Centella asiatica, Meremia imaginata, and hydrocotyle species. Centella asiatica is the most popular among them due to its use in herbal medicine. There are 3 types of pegaga identified, which are Centella asiatica, Meremia imaginata, and hydrocotyle species. Centella asiatica is the most popular among them due to its use in herbal medicine.
Centella asiatica has been used as medicine for thousands of years in India, China, and Indonesia. For example, it is used to treat respiratory infections in China. Besides, Centella asiatica also used to heal wounds and treat the skin conditions as well as to treat stomach ulcers, hypertension, and certain types of cancer. As mentioned before, this plant is used to heal wounds and skin lesions. The main chemical compound found in this plant is triterpenoids. Triterpenoids has been identified to strengthen the skin, to boost antioxidants in the wounds, and to increase the blood supply to the wound area. Hence, Centella asiatica has been applied to the skin for minor burns, preventing scars after surgery and preventing or reducing stretch marks. Besides, Centella asiatica can prevent any disease. It is known to have antioxidant effects and neutralizing many free radicals that cause damage at molecular level. These properties can prevent stomach ulcers and certain cancers. This plant also producing acetic acid that could inhibit cell growth activity for certain cancer cells. For example, liver and skin cancer. Other than that, Centella asiatica can also cure hypertension or high blood pressure. The acetic acid that found in the plant has the anti-hypertensive and anti-inflammatory effects, and this could cure the hypertension.
Now we come to see how Centella asiatica is used or consumed. People usually use Centella asiatica dried leaves and stems for herbal remedies. As Centella asiatica contains active compounds, it can be made into herbal tea, even as energy drinks or cordial. People usually use Centella asiatica dried leaves and stems for herbal remedies. As Centella asiatica contains active compounds, it can be made into herbal tea, even as energy drinks or cordial. Centella asiatica is also used in cosmetics because it can delay skin aging. People in Madagascar have dried and ground pegaga leaves to treat epilepsy, hypertension, indigestion, skin disorders, malaria, fever, asthma, syphilis, bronchitis, and cuts.
Lastly, what are the examples of secondary compounds available in the species according to published articles? Secondary metabolites are found in the aerial parts of the plants, including in the roots, rhizomes, and leaf. Phytochemicals identified from Centella asiatica to date include isoprenoids pathway, fall into 4 clusters, which are sesquiterpenes, plant sterols, pentacyclic, triterpenoids, and saponins. Other than that, phenylpropanoid derivatives fall into 3 clusters, which are eugenol derivative, caffeolequinic acids, and also flavonoids. This species, most known for its high content of pentacyclic triterpenoids, C30, or referred as centelloids. The most abundant pentacyclic triterpenoids compound are the saponins, asiaticoside, and medicoside, and also their aglycons, acetic acid, and also medicacic acid. Besides, Centella asiatica is also rich in chlorogenic acids, which is a diverse group of compounds formed by quinic acid esterified to cinnamic acid derivative. Lastly, Centella asiatica contains many phenolic constituents including flavonoids such as catechin, epicatechin, camphorol, quercetin, and also related glycosides.